my gosh! You can only use one hand. O, sige, fine.
A few moments later.
Ay, paano ko to Sorry, dalawa muna kasi kailangan ko i-season. Paininin natin yung mantika bago pa uminit ang ulo ko. Mamadali na kasi 10 minutes lang. Ayan na nangyayari. Ang gulo. Masaya ba kayo dito sa pinagagawa niyo sa akin? Let's cook! Let's eat! Let's go! Hello mga ka-cheffies! Welcome back to my channel! And today we're doing something really special, something that's close to my heart. Maaaring yung iba sa inyo ay mga bata pa noon o baka nga hindi pa kayo pinapanganak, pero kung hindi nyo na itatanong, meron akong cooking show before and it was called Quickfire, Your 10-Minute Kitchen Wonders. It used to air on QTV 11, ngayon GMA News TV na yan. And it was a 10-minute show na pinapalabas 3 times a day where I would show mga recipes that you could cook in 10 minutes. So, disclaimer lang hindi kasama prep time. Cooking time lang at 10 minutes. So, today, medyo babalik tayo sa panahon. Samahan niyo ako magluto and give my quickfire recipes na 17 years ago na an update and a glow up. So, this is episode 1 of giving my 10-minute kitchen wonder recipe a real-time glow up. Titingnan din natin kung kaya mga talagang ilutuin to in 10 minutes. Ayan, let's see. Today's dish nga pala, ang aking lulutuin is cornflake, cream dory, and chicken. Pero yung recipe ko, napansin ko, meron pala tong prawn. Pero anyway, yun yung title niya when I did it in Quickfire. So I'm gonna watch my old video. And to be honest, ngayon ko lang ulit ito makikita after 17 years. Makikita ko yung 17 year ago na self ko. Papanoorin ko lang siya at tatry kong sabayan na gawin ito dito sa aking vlog. Pero hindi lang yon, merong twist. Hanggang dito sa episode na to, magpapakita ang ating Palayok of Revelation. Ito ay magpapahirap sa akin. Parang ito ngayon ay palayok of sabotage. Kasi bubunot ako dito ng isang sabotage card. So parang merong challenge for me while I'm cooking. Titingnan natin kung ano pa yung extra challenge. Nagagawa na ako ng 10-minute na recipe. Meron pang extra challenge dito. Meron talagang pasabotahe ang aking team. Pero sige game, let's do it! Basahin ko. Mga pakulo. Oh my gosh! Ito talaga. You can only use one hand. Oh my God! O sige, fine. Habang niluluto ko tong ating cornflake, cream dory, and chicken. Oh my gosh. Panonoodin ko na muna ngayon yung aking quickfire recipe video.
Hello, Quickfire Foodies! I am Rosa Bini.
Hello, quickfire foodies!
For another round of 10-minute kitchen wonders here on Quickfire.
Your step-by-step guide to everyday delicious meals for the busy you. Memorize ko pa. Uy, bata, bagets, fresh. Nakakatuwa. Naalala ko pa ito, OBB na to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the makeup.
Food para dun sa mga bisita nyo. So for today, ang na-assign sa akin na dish is a fish or chicken dish. Pero naisip ko na, why not combine the 2 ingredients and then make a very special recipe out of it. And it will only take 10 minutes to make.
Set your timers. We're gonna start cooking. Tatandaan ko pa.
What I'm gonna be using is a cornflakes. We have here our cream dory, our prawns, and our chicken.
Pero paano ko ito Sorry, dalawa muna kasi kailangan ko i-season. So, dito lang.
Yeah. Can you break this down?
Ayan, lagyan na natin.
Tapos, take it.
Dalawain natin.
Yes. Thank you. Pwede paki-wet salt and pepper. Can you help me?
Salt and pepper ko na rin to.
Ito mo sa layo pa sa ganon.
Oh my gosh, kailangan ko ulit.
Dalawa malaki ang bag na dala. Pepper, freezer.
Hot oil.
Breading procedure. Meron kayong wet hand and...
Ayan na yung wet hand, tsaka chicken muna.
But actually, this one, all of it cook fast. Naman, so like here. So, chicken on the flour. And then, slice our egg. So this one with the other hand.
Okay. Oh my Lord.
Tapos lipat dito, and then with the other hand. Yes.
Oh my...
Yeah, so we have the cream dory ulit. And pag yung cream dory, guys, olive brown. Like parang hammerhead.
Smart. Wow. Kala nyo
lutuin para hindi natin ma-overcrowd yung ating pan. Okay, now we can add our prawns.
Naku, wait lang. Ang bilis niya na. Binubola ako na, hindi pa. Wait.
Please, we give this dish a different kind of...
Paano natin sasabayan? Wait.
So that
Oh my Lord.
yeah, sure.
Kumain ko na.
Making the sauce,
Yun na nga.
we have here our mayonnaise. Let's add some soy sauce.
Kailangan pa talagang gawin to na one hand. Color! Yeah! Pwede na ako magluto. Shucks! Okay, after the chicken, let's coat our prawns. Naku, yun na nga ang mahirap kasi nga, dapat nga, katulad doon sinabi ko doon sa video, keep one hand dry and one hand wet. Pero dahil may pasabog pa tayo na sabotahe, ang gulo. Pero mga ka-chefis, mga quick fire foodies, huwag niyong gayahin to. Dapat one hand should be wet, one hand should be dry. Disclaimer, it's the 10-minute cooking time. Kaya yan. Itong mga prep time, di kasama. Magmamadali yung nanay niyo. Okay. Dumidikit kamay ko. Dapat ang makoat yung ating prawns, pero as you can see, ang nakokoat yung ating kamay. Masaya ba kayo dito sa pinagagawa niyo sa akin? The next one. Okay. Ay! Flour muna pala. Flour. Sorry. Okay, let's put it in the flour. Nagmamadali na kasi 10 minutes lang. Ayan na nangyayari. Real kitchen disasters. Okay, breadcrumbs. Flour, hindi breadcrumbs, cornflakes. Oh my gosh. Masaya kayo. Masaya kayo sa pinagagawa niyo. Okay, magluto na tayo. Paininin natin yung mantika bago pa uminit ang ulo ko. Magluto na tayo. Paano natin ilalagay ito ng one hand by one hand? Okay, let's start with the chicken. Ay, syempre dahan-dahan, baka matalsikan tayo. Okay, let's cook it in batches. First, the chicken. Ang daming daldal. Ang dami kong daldal dyan. Grabe. Kaya mahirap sa quick fire dun eh. Nagluluto ka na, nag-entertain ka pa ng guest. Kailangan maganda ka pa. Okay, let's just wait for this to turn golden brown. Ilang minutes na? 7. Kaya yan. May 7 minutes pa. Mabilis na itong mga to. Five minutes? Wait lang! Lapit na ta. Gagawa pa pala akong sauce. Sige, habang inaano. Mahirap tong one hand na to. Huwag na nga natin gawin to. Okay. Shrimp na lang. How many minutes to go? 4? Gosh. Pagsasamahin ko na to Okay, pasaway. Cooking time lang walang plating Okay. Sarap. Ayan. Ilang minutes? May 2 minutes pa. Yay! O, di kaya. Lutuin. Yun lang naman yung tanong, di ba? Okay, plating. Let's go. Okay, let's plate. Let's get a few pieces of the chicken and strips. And then our fish. My hands are clean, don't worry. And then our prawns. And some parsley. Parang hindi siya niluto ng with one hand Okay. Let's go. Here's the finished product. Okay, time to taste. Tikman muna natin a piece of the chicken. With the dip. Luto. Importante, luto dapat. In 10 minutes, hindi siya undercooked. And then the fish. Natin. May 2 down. Actually, parang 17 years ago ko ito niluto. So, nakakatuwa na kinakain ko ulit siya ngayon. Naalala ko pa kung ano yung naganap nung taping na yun. This was a fun episode kahit na mas pinahirapan nila ako. Kasi 10 minutes na ngayon lulutuin. Meron pang cook with one hand. So, extra salad. Sarap. Of course, the seafood and the chicken, fresh yung lasa. Ang sarap din. No ating breading, of course, with the cornflakes. Very, very good. And the dip. Katulad sabi ko sa quickfire video ko, bagay ito sa mga celebrations, sa mga potluck parties nyo. This is perfect kasi very simple but elevated. Anong sa inyo mga ka-chefis? Before or after? Diba? Nakakatawa talaga that I had to recreate a quickfire recipe from 17 years ago and napatunayan na kaya siyang lutuin in 10 minutes. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode, mga ka-chefis, with the cooking and the challenge na kasama nito. And of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and of course, share nyo na rin sa ating mga iba pang ka-chefis. Thank you so much, and again, meron pa akong mga susunod na mga recreation of quickfire recipes. Bye!